Here we are again. Here we go again. Hell yeah. I was gonna just set up some stuff right here. Some of those like Streamlabs commands. I think that was like a good idea to have them on hand. Just, on demand. Let's try this out and see how it goes, right? It's like that. I can't see it actually, so I want the font color to probably something more pronounced, whatever, right? Like that. Doesn't update on my. Oh, it did. So cool. That's gonna be Squirrel Forest. I am also going to create something like uptime, I guess. Uptime. And then maybe podcast. But that's just a random one, so I can like live in the corner here somewhere. What else do I have? Instagram. No. Posture and water. These are like good ones, I guess, but should I add posture? Can do, I guess. And it's gonna help eventually. What the hell, man? It keeps going out there somewhere, right? Like, I don't know where it goes. But paste does some weird stuff. Anyway, this is gonna be posture. This is gonna be water. What else? Let's add a command. template. Hmm. How is that supposed to work? Do a pop out. Hmm. So command so doesn't really like need interesting. So if I was to check the commands out right now, right? Copy. And hop on over here. So pop. Just like that, right? And if I hop on over to here and do Squirrel Forest. That's cool. That works, right? That sort of works. I guess I still don't like how it's positioned. Like uptime, let's see uptime. Pretty much something like that. Huh? Some scale it up a bit more and do something like that. That's cool. Works. Cool, and then now another couple of things. Yeah, these can go. Posture and water. Does that work? No, yet? Question mark. Okay. Streamlabs bot works. That's cool. Drop in some PogChamps. PogChamps work. That is good. What about... what else? What other commands do they have right now? Let's look at other commands. What is this? What is this? Death. Slash me. Death. Huh? Does it work? Interesting. This one works too. Sort of. What other commands do they have right here? Blind. Lol? What is that? That is an interesting one. So, and you can also make it green for some. Is it the /me thing, right? Ow. So you can send it this way, okay. I'm just messing around, like, trying it out and seeing. That, like, pretty cool on Twitch here. What else do we have here? So, these are commands, these are... Dude, I've left 365 messages on my own chat. Holy hell. At 1 a.m. I literally had a message streak with myself saying A, B, C, D, E, legally blind, A, B, C, D, E, F. What? What is that, dude? That is weird, right? Is it weird? I'm just trying to test stuff, you know, technically. Right, so I know what I need to work on a bit. It's the stream command then. And what if I say I'm gonna lurk? What? So let's do it. Lurk. Doesn't work? Lurk? Alright, cool. It doesn't recognize its emoji. What emojis do they recognize? Well, let's do this one then. We hop on over to Lurk. We're gonna change this and have it like that. Also, are you able to show all of the commands like uptime, blind, so game title? Yeah. Also now if we do dark. Hmm. That is interesting. So, they don't appear, but huh. Hmm. Let's do the last push. Last check, last test. Hmm. Hmm. Podcast is of this, that, time, and uptime. Mm-hmm. Hell yeah, cool. So I've added loads of commands down there in the thing, so I'll be quickly testing all of them out right now. Pressure water, right. Going for uptime. Online podcast. This is good. Board. Mouse. CPU. GPU. Good. Okay, cool. That's about it. That's most of the, like, I think pretty much all of the commands nailed down, which means that I'm ready to just, you know, continue doing what I'm doing. Continue doing what I'm supposed to be doing. These buttons still lack a bit of contrast. Yes, I'm gonna add the third from the right. Right, so this is gonna be the third from the right. This is also gonna be the third from the... I could just change the background color on these things, but like... So it's gonna be third. Third. Also third as a third. Huh. That one. And this one again. Wait, never mind. This one doesn't work like that. Can I change the icon color, maybe? I don't think I can change the icon color. I mean, but there's no text box color. I'm gonna just delete it and say border. Nope. Nope. No border color needed. Very nice. Very nice. I'm ready to roll. That is a GG. There ain't no water in here. Gotta go to the kitchen. There's water. Outbot. Timers. Every 5 minutes water? Posture? Sure thing. I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna have it to see what happens, you know? And I'm gonna get some water, so boom. Okay. Ugh. Cool. So I thought of game modes and like how I could introduce some game modes in the game afterwards, but now I have to like really remake some things. Probably like do the schools. Hmm. Hmm. So, what I'll do is I don't know, can I tell the 3D cursor? Can I tell the cursor to go hmm. 3D cursor to uh, mm, mm. Blender 3D cursor to geometry. Oh, horrid.
According to Blender Stack Exchange, press Shift S and select Cursor to Selected. That will put the cursor at the center of the selected faces. Select Object Transform Origin to 3D Cursor. For 2.8 there is no keyboard shortcut. Use the menu object, Set Origin.
Shift S. Aha, Shift S is the thing. Yeah, that's cool. King Kong 1407, how are you doing today? Hey. So apparently there is a way to put it down here. So like that. And then if we were to just transform the whole thing up a bit, that would give us like the taller building sort of. And if we switch to edit mode, make sure that there's just one face. Could extrude it, but I'll try to like just stretch it like that. Stretch it all the way to the bottom like this. And then maybe even switch to like the side like that. And there's a lot of like unnecessary faces right here. Is it Alt M to like merge them? I think it's Alt M. Don't want to like merge it wrongly, because now that happened, that's like undesirable outcome anyway. So go like this. Do Alt M. I need to dissolve faces actually. So like delete dissolve faces. There we go. That's what we want. So we want to go through here, do like delete, dissolve faces, and keep going. Oh man. What is that? I must have done something wrong then. Here, because it has like a lip down here. So this. As long as we can get rid out of the most of these. That. Because I guess everything else like sort of just like this edge gets selected. But if I try to like dissolve these, then it just opens up the building itself, so. Yeah, well that's cool. So that's fine, and I'll probably like set origin to 3D cursor. And if I save it as probably like tree gathering school, because I need 2 different schools right now. So this is gonna be tree gathering school. And if we hop on over back to Unity, we should be able to. My GPU didn't do the freak out again. GPU is freaking out. Let me just power limit it even further. 75%. 4 clock minus 300. Memory clock minus 300 too. Like, no, maybe 200. Like underclock the GPU. I don't think it helps because now see that the displays are just flashing and stuff, so that sucks. My God, look at that. Both of the displays just went off when I do that. Both of them get overloaded. Try to limit it even further, like as far as I can. It still does that. Now my display just says out of range. And now it's back. Sort of. It's all of these menus, like if I hover over menus and stuff and they get selected on hover, that's when that happens. Anyway. In the graphics and the models, when I created the school here, I think I can also like put this school into. And stop flickering. Yeah, the display is now just like completely black. It's getting captured, like I see it on the side, but like the display itself. Now both of them. It's sad. It's sad. The GPU is dying. Literally just. I'm still dragging it. I don't know when to release it because I want to drop it in school. That must be Squirrel. That must be school. I did it blind. I did it blind. Not looking at the monitor, and I hope I did, because if I was correct and it actually dropped in school, then stop flickering.
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
That's a good one. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I just laugh at that sound every time. It's impossible to work. It's impossible to work. It's not possible to work. Well, the display is just black now. It's just off. So black.